If you're at least 6'2" tall and just getting into dirt bikes, then you probably realize that dirt bikes aren't meant for your height. So it's going to feel uncomfortable and awkward and harder to ride because dirt bikes are made for people generally under 6'2". So you're probably thinking of doing some things to your bike, but I want to show you why you might not need this and why it might actually be hurting you if you do it. Haha, doo-doo. Now, I may not be 6'5" tall, but I can definitely relate to riding a dirt bike that is too small for me, such as a 110cc or 125cc trail bike. And there are ways to change your riding technique so that it is not only safer but more comfortable and not as exhausting on your hands and wrists and back and knees. Now, a common mistake if you are over 6 foot tall is standing too tall on the bike. You probably know that standing on the pegs can give you more control while riding on the trails. And while this is true, if you're standing in the wrong position, you're not only not balanced on the bike, which can cause more crashes, but it can also make it more exhausting on your body. So when you're standing up too tall, you have a higher center of gravity, so it's harder to balance, and you're going to be standing too far back on the bike. And if you're already doing that and you think that getting taller bars and or bar risers is going to help, well, it might make it more comfortable, but it might actually move your position, standing position, back even farther on the bike, making you even more unbalanced. And when you're not balanced on the bike, you're not going to have as well of handling because the tires aren't getting proper traction front and rear. So next, I want to show you how to comfortably ride on a dirt bike while trail riding, even if you're 6'2", 6'5". I got a video right here. This is just one of the techniques that I teach in my virtual dirt bikers school. So click here, watch it, and let me know what you think.